about 20 minutes, but I finally got an order. This one's gonna be for McDonald's. $7.25 going 3 miles.
Morning.
Morning.
Air delivery?
Yep, 521.
So here?
Thank you. Next order up, we've got a 7-Eleven. This one is $10 going 6 miles.
Yes.
Hello. Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one's gonna be $10 going about 4 miles. Please be open.
Welcome to Taco Bell. We aren't ready yet. Just like need 5 more minutes to do. Come back around in 5 minutes.
Tell me why they're taking somebody else's order that just pulled in. It's been like 2 minutes. It's been a few minutes. Should be ready by now, right?
Here's that drink. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. I don't know why that was so slow. Like, I was pretty far away from the restaurant to begin with, and from when I arrived to when I finally got the food, probably another 15 minutes. Kind of crazy. Next order just came in. This is going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $8 going 4 miles. Only one item. All caps, it says, leave at door, do not knock or ring bell. Drop off on the porch, please. I can't fix it in the settings. No need to meet. Kind of need some ID here, so don't know about all that. And then just signature. Good enough for me. All right, next up, we've got a stacked IHOP. This is going to be $15 going 6 miles. I haven't seen IHOP today, so hopefully it's not too busy, but let's find out.
I'll go check on David for you.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. All right, a little bit of a wait, but I don't think that was too bad. Should still be good orders.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Not too bad. How about yourself?
Doing well, thank you.
There you
Awesome,
are.
thank you so much.
You have a good day.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Next order just came in. This is going to be a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $11.25 going just under 5 miles. 3 items. This. Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's gonna be $8 going 4 miles. Thank you. Actually, you know what? I might just call it here. Once again, very little sleep last night, so probably not the smartest idea to be driving around, at least without getting a coffee first. Nah, I'll skip the coffee. I'm just gonna go home and take a nap. Current time is 11:29. Current total is 74. And I still have one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably around 78, 79, maybe 80. Who knows? But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.